Welcome to this cooking video. We're gonna do eggs. Shut up! I'll show you where I get the eggs. See, I don't like to go to the store because, you know, those eggs have got like, you know, they fucking blast them with bleach and shit. And I know. And you know, what are you doing? Yeah. So anyways, I like to come here and get eggs. I know the guy. I know the guy who lives here, and he lets me come get eggs. This little lady here is a little upset that I'm taking her eggs. Yeah. But yeah, these are like all, you know, non-GMO and everything. You know, they got a little... Shut up. They've only got a little bit of poop on them, as you can tell. But yeah, it's just all around, you know, it's healthier. You know, I don't have to really waste money on going to the store or time or whatever. You just come here. You just come here and get some eggs. And it's basically free.
How many times I gotta tell you fucking kids, get the hell off my property? Run! Yeah.
Run! Now that we got our ingredients, we can get to the cooking. So, the first thing you want to do, we're going to do scrambled eggs first, because that's, you know, you can't really fuck up scrambled eggs too badly. So what you want to do, take a couple of eggs. You don't crack it on the rim, because then the stuff goes outside, makes a big mess. You crack it inside, like that. I'll just, you know, throw those right there for now. You get like, you know, probably at least 3 eggs in there. And it doesn't matter if, you know, you crack the yolk when you're breaking these eggs. Wash your hands, don't get salmonella, okay? Give them a little rinse, give them a little dry. Gotta be sanitary in the chef's life. You know, you can take a whisk or something. I don't got a whisk. You got a fork. So you just like kind of pop the yolks, and then you just start stirring it. You stir it and you stir it and stir it, and you switch directions, and you do a little bit of advanced techniques. And you know, this isn't gonna be like super important, but you want to get it like so that it's all kind of one consistency. So you see, like, you know, that's good enough. You know, if it looks like that, that's good enough. That's all the better it's gonna get. So the next thing you want to do, and this is important, you want to butter the pan. Because 1, it adds flavor. But 2, it stops the shit from sticking to it. It doesn't make a big fucking mess. You don't want a fucking mess. You want it nice. You know, you just, you know, let it melt, get the whole pan covered. Don't worry about using too little butter, because you can just put more. If you put too much, fuck it. This is America, alright? So you get that all nice and melted, you coat them inside. And it doesn't need to melt all the way, it's fine. That's good enough. And then you just take this shit and just, you just get that in there. And now, I'm gonna turn this up to high, because I ain't no fucking pussy. I'm not. And you know, you let this go, it's gonna take a minute. Just let it sit, it's fine. You can season it now if you want, since I don't know what the fuck else to do while it's, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Special seasonings you need, salt, pepper, that's it. This is the basics. You know, you just get a layer of salt in there. You don't want too much, because you want your heart to keep working. Pepper, this is where I think, you know, I think pepper is the best part, the best seasoning. Put that shit on everything. Probably about that much or so. you go. See it's bubbling up? It's getting ready. So what you want to do, you don't really need to flip it or anything. I just like to come in and kind of stir it. You know, give it a little bit of chopping action. And it's going to start cooking all pieces. And now when all the pieces are basically solid, that's when you want to start flipping them around. You just want to make sure you're not leaving any of the raw egg. That's going to be bad. That's going to be yuck. This isn't training for the fucking fighting. We're not running up the steps in Philadelphia drinking a raw egg every morning. That's stupid. Don't do that. So see, like that piece right there? That's getting that nice golden brown. That's what you want. That's what you want on the egg. So see, this point, you take it off the burner for a second. I'm going to put the heat on medium. Put it back on. Because now we're at the part where you might start to burn it. Just leave it like this. Get some slices of cheese. Doesn't matter what kind, whatever you like. This is Colby and Monterey Jack. That's my favorite cheese. Just fucking start putting some shit on there. See, and you know, sometimes the cheese won't perfectly cover up everything, but that's fine. You just rip it up. Just rip it up and cover those spots. Turn the heat down a little bit more, because we're not flipping it anymore. And you just let that sit until the cheese melts, baby. Yeah, this was one of the most basic things that you can cook. Super easy, doesn't take a lot of time, and it tastes fucking great. Alright? Yeah, that's pretty much there. And the cool part, when you put the cheese on it, it kind of makes it all one piece. You can just completely fuck it up like that. Yeah, that's, you know, always turn the stove off too. I forget sometimes because it's an electric stove, you know, there's not like a fire happening right here. And don't do that. You might burn the house down. Yeah. Part 2. Sunny side up. I think. I don't know. That's what I call them. So here's the other thing. Turn this back on. Put it on. Medium. You know, same thing as before. Get your funkin' butter. Put that shit in a pan. You gotta let it melt. Just like before. Just like before. And this time, you know, you don't need a bowl. You just take your eggs and you just go pull it open. And this part, see how I fucked that up? Because I was being an asshole. I hit it too hard. But it's okay. We'll make a second one. See that one? That one didn't break. I usually go with 2 eggs for this part. Also, wash your hands. Then we'll rinse. Get that egg yolk off. With these ones. Why did it pop? Oh. Listen, you know, sometimes in life, you don't want your egg yolks to pop, and they pop anyways. You just gotta, you know, play the card you're dealt. Nothing you can do about it. What are you gonna do? You can turn this back up to high, that's right. I like to pull the edges in like this, because that's where you get the real thin spots, that's where it might burn. And I'll start doing that. If you're ever wondering, is it time to flip? There's a real easy trick. Just grab the thing. See how it's not really moving the skin, all the stuff on top's moving? It means you're not ready yet. You gotta wait. Here's another Linus tech tip for you. If you're worried about flipping it and breaking the yolk, which, you know, I do that too, and I'm a fucking master chef. You just take this lid right here and you go bap. And what that does is it keeps the moisture in, and that's hot, and that'll cook the top. So you don't even have to worry about flipping it. That's what I do. That's easy for me. You just leave that sit for a little bit. You know, think about life. And you know, pull it off every so often and check. See how that's going? See, this is about where you want it to be to flip. See how the whole thing's moving around? And I'll show you flipping as well, because there's a little bit of a nuance to that. You know, you could just cut the thing in half like that and flip them individually. If you don't want to do that, try to get somewhere around in the middle. And you get the spatula under there as best as possible. And you want to kind of... Don't worry about that. That's for the dogs. And this is the color you want. You want a nice golden brown. That's the color I like. You know. And if you want to be the fanciest boy at the ball, you try one of these. Ooh. Same thing as before. Just gonna do some salt and some pepper. And yeah, that's basically done. Get another plate. Go wha-bam. Go thank you ma'am. And that's what you get there. Now, I like to do toast with these. And normally, you know, you'd pop the yolk. You dip the toast in the yolk. But like I said, life gives you lemons. You don't get to dip your eggs in the yolk. The toast and the eggs, yolk. Now, it's time to butter your toast, which is, you know, pretty sure you don't really need instructions on this. It's just that. And then I like to cut my toast in half and fold it, because I'm a special boy, and I have special requirements. That's what my mom told me. That's why I gotta take that medicine. Yeah, then you do this, fold it in half, and you just stick them right there on that plate, and that's it. Then you go and get some egg, put some toast on. Now that your meals are ready, you can do what you do with food. You eat it, you dummy. Well, what else do you think you would do? Yeah, you can take some of this. You can, you know, put on there. That's good. Can't dip the eggs in this. I fucked it up. That doesn't matter either. Put that shit on here too. That's how you fucking cook. That's fucking good. Tune in next week where we're gonna fuck. That video's gonna... I'm not funny.
Hey guys, it's me. It's your boy, Broski Man Dude Bro. I had a lot of help making this video from some friends, and I wanted to, you know, give them a little shout out. So first off, the guy filming all this is my good friend Matt. Hi Matt. He's good at filming. He's good at photography and other stuff. He's, you know, just all around. He's a nice guy. My good friend Robby D, he was in the video. You saw him. He was shooting us with a shotgun. That's my little brother right there. That's Tyler. You know, he doesn't live where I live, so you know, I don't get to see him super often. It's nice when I do. We had a fun time. He was in the background hanging out. That's Danielle. That's Robbie's girlfriend. She captured a chimkin for me to hold. She's a nice lady, as you can tell. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say. Kind of just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Thank you everybody who helped me. Hope you had a good time. hope you learned something. And yeah, to all a good day, and everyone else, a good night. Bye.